Well, this has not been a great day for the U.S. Air Force's first helicopter squadron at Joint Base Andrews. Two of their aging H-1 Huey helicopters were forced to make surprise precautionary landings due to mechanical issues that could very well be related to this extraordinary heat. One chopper was forced down at the Lorton Station Elementary School soccer field in Lorton, Virginia. Another came down in an office park off Othway in Suitland. Our Scott Broom is live in Suitland right now, where one of the disabled helicopters was repaired and just took off, Scott.
Yeah, he took off about an hour ago right here. Who comes to work in the morning and expects to see an Air Force helicopter come and land behind the office building? But that's exactly what happened here.
I think it's amazing that they're able to find the smallest patch of area to safely land.
Office workers Constance Banks and Valencia Ferguson.
I'm absolutely glad they're safe. I'm glad that, it wasn't any worse than it is, for sure.
The H-1 Huey helicopter made its emergency landing here in Suitland with a mechanical problem just before 10 this morning. Meanwhile, another one of the Hueys was forced to land overnight on the soccer field of the Lorton Station Elementary School in Lorton, Virginia. That aircraft had to be loaded on a truck and hauled back to Andrews. No one was hurt in all this, only flight crews were on board. Mechanics working on the Huey that landed in Suitland were able to get it up and running for a flyout at 4 p.m. The fleet of 22 Air Force UH-1s based at Andrews are used as executive transportation to ferry military VIPs around the region. But the choppers are old, Vietnam-era warbirds, repurposed for the job here. And according to one military source, just like our aging metro rail cars, these aircraft do not like the heat and can suffer breakdowns in extreme weather, just like today. Want to underline today that no one was hurt in any of this, and these emergency landings were made with a lot of skill, putting an aircraft down in this very narrow corridor here, not getting involved with traffic or cars or anything like that. So that's a great deal. These Hueys are pretty familiar around the D.C. area. Sometimes you see them flying up and down the Potomac. They're the ones with the white roofs on top. But as I reported, these are old helicopters. They go all the way back to 1963. The one that was parked here until a short time ago is vintage 1972. The Air Force may be in the process of finally phasing out the last of these choppers, but as we saw, they potentially really have problems with the heat, and so do a lot of other aircraft. My colleague Howard Bernstein is standing by to talk about that.
Recently, the airport in Phoenix was closed because it was too hot. See, the planes couldn't take off in those hot temperatures. Cold air, it's more dense than hot air. Planes, they generate lift by going fast, and the faster they go, the more upward force the wings produce. But the air has to be dense enough for the wings to push against. So, too slow or too hot, and there's just not enough lift. Now, helicopters, well, they generate lift through the propeller blades and the angle those blades cut through the air. If it's too hot, well, the helicopter's ability to produce upward forces, that's going to be impacted. And that is a very simple explanation of how heat affects flight. I'm meteorologist Howard Bernstein, WUSA 9.